today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ggives on TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to check out with Ggives using Gcash and what to look for so everything goes smoothly. First, open the TikTok app and make sure you're signed into your account. From the home screen, head to TikTok Shop. You can browse categories, search for a specific item, or tap a product featured in a live or a video. When you find the specific product you want, tap it to open the product page. Next, tap Buy Now. Before you proceed, select the variation that fits your needs. This could be size, color, storage, or any option the seller offers. Choose the correct quantity and review shipping options if they're available. Taking a moment here prevents surprises at checkout. Now, scroll down to the checkout section. Look for the payment methods and find the Gcash option. You'll want to ensure two things. You have enough balance for any required upfront amount, and your Ggives feature is already enabled on your Gcash account. If both are set, you'll see the option to continue with Gcash. Tap Continue. On the payment screen, select Ggives as your payment method. This lets you split your purchase into installments if your account is eligible for the transaction. Follow the prompts on your screen. Typically, you'll review the installment plan, including the number of months, the estimated monthly amount, and any applicable fees. Make sure your personal details and shipping address are accurate and that the name on your order matches your Gcash account to avoid payment issues. Confirm your selection and proceed as prompted. TikTok Shop and Gcash will guide you through any remaining verification and final confirmation. Once approved, you'll receive an order confirmation in TikTok and, in many cases, a notification from Gcash. You can track your order from the TikTok Shop Orders section. If you don't see Ggives, common reasons include Ggives not being enabled on your Gcash account, insufficient balance for any required upfront payment, or the item or store not being eligible for installment payments. A stable internet connection and the latest versions of both apps can also make checkout smoother. Before you place the order, it's a good idea to double-check vouchers, shipping fees, and delivery times so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. That's it. Open TikTok, choose your product, tap Buy Now, and pick your variation. Scroll to Payment, select Gcash, Continue, choose Ggives, and follow the prompts. Enjoy your TikTok Shop purchase with flexible payments.